How to share files from Google Drive. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can share your particular file to another person in Google Drive using your mobile device. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Google Drive application. So once you have successfully launched your Google Drive application, you will need to find that particular file that you would want to share. So you can do so by tapping onto the three dots over that particular file, and then from here you have this option that says send a copy. So you can simply click onto the send a copy option, and then from here you will need to find that particular medium over which you will be sharing. So you can choose Gmail, WhatsApp, and other options as well, like messages. So once you will simply select this, you will need to select the recipient and they will get the link for that particular file that you want to share. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.